726. CH sound. J. H. GH. J. CA. And voice. Judge. 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 J. 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 Georgia, 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 J, 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 job, J, job, my job, my job, job, J, job. Judge, China, China, cherry, chug, jug, chocolate, challenge, cheese, junk, chairman, keychain, lunch box, preacher, picture, 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 teacher, fortune, nature, big bowl, detect, teach, hot, march, part, range, 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 coach, approach, approach. Chop Chop Children is Charlie's Kitchen Adventure. Today, Chuck will be teaching future champion cooks how to make a chocolate tea cake. Very good. Z, Job. Zeus, jump, juggle, Jory, Japan, Zoro, Zion, Zenetic, Junior, Generate, German, Algebra, Legend, Magic, Subject, Digest, Rejoice, Objective, Majesty, Educate, 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 Succession, Educate, Age, college, postage, stage, pledge, village, average, page, courage, knowledge, A German, John and Jory have charged and jailed a strange giant who sat on the edge of a bridge, throwing jelly onto large baggage. H. Hour. Ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Hope. Hand, 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 hand. Whoa. Hand, hide, hope, hair, house, Harvard, honey, happy, who, whole, whole. Old hole is his, it, hit, at, hat, arm, harm, ill, hill, it, hate, as, has. Ahead, behave, anyhow, inhale, downhill, dehydrate, wholehearted, overhauled. He thought that he should walk the car. He thought that he should thank the teacher. He thought that he should watch television. He thought that he should use the telephone. He thought that he should shut the door. He thought that he should breathe deeply. He thought that he should tell the truth. Henry the hungry hippo who huggered the huge heap of 100 hamburgers has had hiccups for one whole week. The more when you speak English, the more force you rely when you're speaking. Ultimately. I hope you have a good time. And see you in the next section. Thank you, Paul Ruba. Grateful.